Hey you guys, welcome back to SBE Aesthetics. This is your girl Champagne back with another video. And on this channel, I show you guys how to do everyday makeup looks, special occasion makeup looks, including skincare tips and tricks, and all about being an esthetician. Without further ado, let's get started. So here you see me showing off this masterpiece, you guys. This is a masterpiece. I love this look. I love how it came out. I simply did a pink cut crease with glitter, and this is chunky glitter, and I really love how it came out. And I just kind of wanted to amp it up a little bit for you guys. This was my Valentine's Day makeup look, so I wanted to show you guys how I did this. And so keep watching, stay tuned. It's not too hard, just follow the steps, and if you need to go back and watch how I do things, please do. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to be taking my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm just going to be setting that right underneath my brow just to make my transition color a lot easier to blend. I'm going to be going in with that bottom corner pink, and we're going to focus that in our orbital, right in the eye socket of our eye. And that is Take Me Back to Brazil eyeshadow palette that I'm using. So we're just going to focus that color in that eye area. So what you see me here is just blending out that harsh line from that first shade that I just put down. I'm just blending that line out to make it more smoother and not look so harsh. Okay, you guys, so as you see me grab that darker pink, I'm going to go and apply that right in my crease area like you see me doing. So I'm going to focus that pink in my crease area, and I'm also going to bring it down a little lower, almost as if I'm putting it on my lid. We're going to focus that color all in the crease area and below the eye socket shade. Okay, you guys, so you guys just saw that I wiped off that excess pink that I had on the brush, and I'm just blending out uh, that first shade that I had, and I'm adding more of that eyeshadow of the first shade I had to make the lighter pink pop out more, to give it definition. Now that pink shade that I just quickly showed you, that's a pink that's in between the two pinks I'm using, and I'm just using that pink to shade out any harsh line that meets with the first two pinks that I put down. And so that's what I did. Moving on, we about to begin to cut the crease with the P. Louise in the shade Rumor 02. And yeah, just watch me as I go. Okay guys, so notice how I made a dot above my crease. I did that for two reasons. The first reason, because I'm hooded eye, and if I would have made that dot right in my crease, it would be hard for you to see all my hard work that I put in on my eyelid. So you always want to take it up a notch. Um, and the other reason is you don't want your eyeshadow to be stuck in your crease. So you want to just bring it up a notch when you cut your crease. So you see your crease, take it above your crease just a few notches up, right? Okay. And so here you're just going to see me slightly, not slightly, slowly fill in my eyelid with the P. Louise base. And I guess this would be like a half almond type cut crease. So yeah, just keep watching. If you guys notice, I'm going in covering up that base that I kind of got above my line because I kind of messed up, but you always can correct your errors. So what you just saw me do was just pat down my base so I wouldn't have any creases when I apply the eyeshadow. So now I'm just applying that darker pink, that second shade of that darker pink that I applied in my crease area. I'm going to apply that color in my outer corner area to make the pink pop and stand out even more. So you see me going in with some eyelash glue, and I'm using eyelash glue because I find that the glitters stick better on eyelash glue. So I'm going to be using that to place my chunky glitter onto my eyelids. Here you just see me pat that pink where the I ended and just cleaning up any harsh line of the pink.